Dr. Ignaro was dedicated over 30 years of research in the discovery of nitric oxide's benefits in preventing and even reversing cardiovascular disease. The benefits don't stop there. It can also reduce high blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and age-proof your cardiovascular system. Dr. Ignaro will also explain what nitric oxide is, the important role of L-ARGININE and L-CITRULINE in boosting the production of nitric oxide, and also other necessary supplements, including vitamins, exercise, and diet, all the ingredients to a more healthy and better quality of life.